This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Feliciano. Meticulously maintained traditional floor plan with open concept layout. Flex space in the front of the home is ready for your creativity. A family room that opens to the dining area and spacious kitchen. This gourmet kitchen features a center island, granite counters, and a pantry. The primary suite, found on the second floor, boasts a large walk-in closet and private bath with a separate tub and ceramic shower. A flexible loft space, full bath with double vanity and 2 additional bedrooms completes the second floor. Located just 5 miles from downtown Suffolk, enjoy an easy commute to the area's best restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Why wait? This home is ready for its new owners now. September 27, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Amanda Feliciano at 757-547-1234.